The food we eat, the water we drink, our health, and our environment are all affected by tiny living organisms. Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Microbiology with Ruth. Today we'll be talking about microbiology and why it is important. Microbiology are two words put together, micro and biology. Micro simply refers to something that is tiny, something that is very small, something that cannot be seen with our naked eyes, while biology simply refers to the study of life. So when we combine these two words together, we can say or describe microbiology as the study of small living organisms that cannot be seen with our naked eyes. Because these organisms are tiny or are microscopic in size, they require the use of microscope to view them. Why should we study about these organisms? It is very important we study about these organisms because they affect our health. Some of these organisms are beneficial to our health, while some are harmful. They can cause typhoid, cholera, tuberculosis, and so many other infections. These organisms also affect the food we eat. For instance, in food industries, the bread, yogurt, cheese, sausages, and other fermented food undergo the action of these organisms in order to be fully processed. These organisms are also important in agriculture because they help the plants to grow. And lastly, this organism is important in our environment because they help in the decomposition of waste and other dead things. So it is very important that we study about these organisms that shape our lives. Thanks for watching this video. Please, if you find this video interesting, go ahead and like, comment, and share. And if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel so you will be notified when next I upload a new video. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video. Bye.